Well, the COVID shutdown, it has had some type of impact on all markets, including real estate. And what that impact is, it depends on the area that you're in and it's unfolding each day. So our team, well, we're taking a weekly look at the data as we guide the folks that we're currently helping. So here's a quick update for anyone just curious or those that are considering a move in the near future. So accepted contracts in the Phoenix metro area, well, they declined as you would expect due to the COVID issue. The beginning of March 8, the weekly contracts for all price points, they were at a high of $26.96 for that week. It then decreased each week down to a low of $16.41. The last 2 weeks, well, they show an uptick to $16.82 and $19.79. If we dig a little bit into different price bands, we can see that the under $300,000, there was a similar pattern, dropping from a high of $1,363 down to $888. And now it's increased the past 2 weeks to $917 and $1,041. In the $300,000 to $600,000 price band, it went from a high of $1,120 down to $644 the week ending March 30th, then increased the next 3 weeks, $660, $667, and $815 for the weekly count. Then the $600,000 to $1 million range, that went from a high of $203 a week down to $68. In the last 2 weeks, it was 89 and then up to 114 for those weeks. Well, the number of days on market is interesting. One expectation might be that homes would take longer to sell as things are paused in the overall market and economy. But the data shows that the days on market has decreased. In February, March, it was around 38, 39, 40 days on market, and it's now down to 24 to 21 days on market for the past 3 weeks. Now let's take a look at the contracts that were accepted. What was the average price per square foot? The overall average for all price ranges, well, it had reached a high of $190.12 per square foot, and then it dropped for several weeks and reached a low of $182.45. In the past 2 weeks, it's been hovering at that $183, $182.81. In specific price brackets, we see that the 0 to 300,000 not only had no decrease, it continues to increase from $150 a square foot to $152 a square foot. The $300,000 to $600,000 price range had a slight decrease from a high of $179.90 per square foot to a low of $178.27. And then it increased back to $179.28. And the $600,000 to $1 million range, well, it decreased from $235.05 at the high and dropped to $229.19. And last week was $230.03. So as we navigate the weeks ahead, we'll continue to share data as it's revealed. And in the meantime, stay safe and healthy. And if you have any specific questions, please know we're happy to dig into specifics for your area and for your situation. Talk to you next week.